Alright, so I gathered all of you here today.
Yes, oh yes.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Man, it's a bit warm today. It's been winter in Australia, so it's been freaking cold and raining and depressing. I'm literally like sweaty. Arms are sweaty. Knees weak, arms are heavy. I didn't upload last week because one, was really busy with uni, had like 3 assignments due, and yeah, it was just really stressful. So I was like, I need to do all these assignments and stuff, so apologize for that. As you guys might be aware of, the 400Z is coming out soon. The announcement of the official announcement of the 400Z is coming out soon, mid-September. I think like 1 or 2 weeks. There's been heaps of talks about it. I've heard they're not going to start making it until 2022. It's going to come out in 2023. But Nissan Japan, I saw on their Instagram page, they're coming out with an official announcement. So that's going to be really good. I'm so excited. And so with the announcement of the 400Z, I just thought I'd make a video on things I love about the 370Z. Let's head to the spot and take a look at the car. Jeez, it is hot. First time I've used aircon in ages. Seatbelt on. Safety first, guys. Alright, let's go. I did buy a couple parts. Yes, I bought a clutch kit because I need a new clutch. Like, my clutch has been really bad. I got the actual kit in literally like 3-4 days. In these times, that's freaking fast. Like, that's so fast. Just waiting on the master cylinder to come in and then put all that together. Not sure if I'm going to do it myself or take to a workshop, because that's a really crap job to do on your back on the floor. I'm waiting on just one more part for the bumper, so I finally get that finished, finally get the bumper on. A few of you guys asking, when's the bumper coming on, when are you going to put the bumper on, how long till the bumper is finished. I'm going to get that all finalized, straight into the workshop to get it painted, get that on, and I'm so keen for that to get on. Alright guys, we just got here, we just got to the place, and it's such a nice day today. I'm so happy. I haven't had a nice day in so long. Oh, so I gathered all of you here today to tell you what I love about the 370Z. Everything that I could think of that I love about the 370Z. Some of you guys might disagree with me or agree with me with the things that I like about the 370Z. The first one that I love, interesting, 2020 is whack. Amen, brother or sister, amen. 2020, not the best year, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta hustle, you still gotta hustle. All right, so first one is how the car looks. The car looks so good. Every single angle, it looks so good. Just everything about how the car looks is so nice. So aggressive, curvy. Nissan did such a good job with the 370Z. The whole Z line, Nissan did so well. Literally no car that looks like the Z. 350, 370, the 300 even, the 240, 260, 280, you name it. No other car looks like the Z. It's amazing because it's very unique. I've got no words. This is so nice. Pretty intimidating, not gonna lie. All right, so body, amazing, perfect. I love it. Number 2 is the engine, the VQ engine, VQ37 VHR. The VQ platform is so reliable. The VQ37 VHR is so reliable. It's so strong. It's such a strong engine. It goes for ages. It's crazy how strong these VQ engines are. I've seen cars with VQ engines go for literally 300,000 kilometers and it's still going strong. Granted, you do basic maintenance on it, regular maintenance on it. Yes, they chump oil like a... There's some people that hate the sound of the VQ engine, some people that love the sound of VQ engines. I like the sound of the VQ engine. Depends what exhaust you've got. If you have a real nice exhaust and everything like that, the VQ sounds amazing. Engine, you've done well, Nissan. You've done well. Number 3 is literally the aftermarket support of the 370Z. There's so many things that you can buy for the 370Z. There's so many websites and companies you can buy parts for the 370Z. Here in Australia, there's probably a good 5-6 decent good websites that you can buy parts for the 370Z. You can literally buy everything. You can change the whole car. You could change everything in the engine bay, everything on the outside, everything on the inside, and you can find everything online. Makes stuff real easy if you've got really good aftermarket support. It's a very simple and easy car to build. Yeah, I found this guy's a bit more expensive to build. In saying that, so many options out there, heaps of things you can do. Really fun car to build. Aftermarket support. So 4, we got to go inside. Actually, I'll go on the other side because it's comfier. Oh, it is hot. So number 4 is this S mode here. The S mode, some people say it's sports mode, some people say it's synchro mode. S mode is pretty much like a rev match, like an automatic rev match. If you don't know what rev matching is, it's when you downshift. As you downshift, put your clutch in and you change gears, the revs drop to X amount, right? Now with rev matching, in that period of time when the revs drop, you want to rev match the previous gear, if that makes sense. But let's just say you're driving in 4th gear and you want to go down to 3rd. Now your revs are at 3,000. Now your revs in 3rd gear will probably be about 4,000, 4,500. And so when you downshift, you wanna touch the accelerator just so it revs up to that amount. That helps with smoother shifting. It keeps your torque there, and so you don't lose any speed or torque as you downshift. So pretty much how I can explain rev matching. Not sure if that's right, but that's what I've kind of figured out. This S mode rev matches for you, and so all you need to do is put your clutch in and downshift. That's all you have to do. It's actually really nice to have. I drive with it all the time. It's always on in my car. It's 1, really handy. 2, it sounds so good when you rev match. It goes whoa, whoa. Especially if you're going on like a hill run or if you're going on track or something like that. The rev matching is really handy. Yeah, I've heard people say that if rev match is really slow. I don't really find that. Man, I thought it was warm, but damn, it is getting hot. I'm sweating, god damn. Cool, so I think that was 4th, maybe. I'm so bad at keeping count. I'm so bad. It's happened in the last video. I apologize. 5th, well, all right. The next one is the small sporty features. Hearing screams, how do you get to that lake? All right, so yeah, all the small sporty features of the car, that's going off the back of the rev matching. And so what I'm talking about sporty features is the big brakes. Not all 370Zs have these Akebono brakes. The Akebono brakes, they're really good. I know base model ones don't have them, but the sports and up do have them. That's one sporty feature that I really like. And the dual intakes is what I really like, and the dual throttle bodies, just because you got two of them instead of just one, which makes it more efficient, more effective, bringing air into the engine. And also the strut bar as well, that's really nice that they included the strut bar, because I know in the G37, the 370 GT, they didn't include the strut bar. Also there's another strut bar in the back here. The 370Z had that as well. If you look at the 370Z strut bar, it's huge. It is massive. It covers a quarter of the boot. I like how they slimmed it down. Also, the low-key racing seats, bucket seat, really nice seats. They're really comfy as well. They hug you in. The low-key racing bucket seats in the 370Z. Oh, number 6, I think. We'll go back inside. These gauges are really a really nice addition. We got 3 gauges here. This one is the time, this one is the battery voltage, and this one is the oil temperature. Not sure why we needed a clock here. Battery voltage, that's all right, that's decent. Oil temperature, that's pretty good, but not sure why we needed another clock. The gauges make it look really nice, and also just the cluster itself. The cluster is really nice, so everything's pretty much facing you, and it's really nice. It feels sporty but still inviting. Just this whole interior is really nice. Everything's really simple. Everything's right there, gears right there. With the cluster, you got the revs in the middle, which is really nice, so you can see what revs you are. Down there where the N is, it shows what gear you're in. So if I go to 1, 2, and it also shows reverse as well. It shows if you're in synchro mode as well. Turns off. It shows, and yeah, so everything's here. Revs in the middle, how fast you're going. This just your fuel, all your lights come on here. If you have anything wrong, and in there as well. This shows you everything about the car. Pretty much that's the settings. It shows you how much fuel you're using. It shows like your maintenance and stuff like that. The cluster and the gauges, really big win. While I'm here, the heated seats are such a big win. I love heated seats. When it's winter, this car is either really cold or really hot. The heated seats are right in the middle here. It's the luxury inside of a sports car. I'm so happy. Another thing, this boot space. Excuse the shoes and the bag. I'm one of those guys that love the boot. Yes, it's smaller than your average, but you can still fit everything you need in here. Literally the same size boot as a hatchback. If you're buying a shelf, it's not going to fit in here. If you're buying a TV, not sure if it'll fit. It might fit. TV might fit in here. It can literally fit 2 of me. I've fit 2 grown-ass men in the back, in the boot, and we've drove. It is a sports car. You don't buy the Z to have a big boot space to fit a lot of shit in there. Like, you don't buy a Z to do that. My GoPro freaking died, so I had to sit in my car for like 45 minutes doing nothing, just waiting until this GoPro finally charged. Totally forgot what number we're at, but the next thing is how torquey the car is. The 370Z is so freaking torquey. It's so torquey in the low RPMs, picks up speed just like that. It's crazy. Torquiness of the 370Z is really good, especially for daily driving, in-city driving, highway, getting onto the highway, literally anything. The torque in the 370Z is freaking amazing. The amount of torque that it has and that you feel, it makes the car feel faster. Honestly, the 370Z is fast, but it's not the fastest car out there. It's such a joy to drive, especially like on the highways and stuff like that as a daily. That's pretty much everything that I can think of the 370Z that I like. Probably a few other things that I can't think of. Overall, the 370Z is my favorite car that I've ever owned. I love daily driving the 370Z. Literally everything that I love about a car. Yes, it's only 2 seats, but I mean, I don't really pick anyone up. Mainly just me and my girlfriend, and that's pretty much it. If you guys are thinking of buying a 370Z, I highly recommend it. In saying that, let me know what your favorite thing about the 370Z is. What's your favorite thing about it? Drop down in the comments below. If you guys haven't already, from me and my girl, still don't have a name for it, not sure what I'm gonna call her. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash that subscribe button down below and that like button while you're there as well, so you can watch all the videos when I put them up. And you can also follow the journey of me and the 370Z and all the other cars that will be on the channel. Cheers for watching. Peace.